Did you know your cat secretly dreams of ruling your home from the highest perch possible? It's true, cats are natural climbers, and giving them vertical space isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. But that doesn't mean you have to splurge on a towering, expensive cat tree. You can turn your home into a feline jungle gym with just a bit of creativity and some bargain hunting. Check your local thrift store for sturdy wall shelves, or repurpose an old bookshelf by removing a few sections. If you're into DIY, grab some basic brackets and scrap wood from a hardware store and build floating shelves tailored to your space. The most important part? Stability. Even though cats are pretty much acrobats, gravity still wins if something wobbles. Place these vertical spots near windows or cozy corners, and suddenly your cat has a new favorite hangout. So the next time your cat stares longingly at the top of the fridge, remember, they're not being weird. They're being wired for the high life. Ever wonder why your cat prefers a cardboard box over that plush bed you bought on sale? It's not snobbery, it's instinct. Cats love small, enclosed spaces where they can feel safe, warm, and slightly mysterious. And the best part? You don't need to spend a dime to give them what they crave. Start with what you already have: an old box, a worn-out storage basket. Even an unused drawer can become a five-star cat retreat. Just toss in a blanket or towel, maybe cut a little peek hole for added intrigue, and place it in a quiet corner of the house. These hideouts give your cat a place to escape the chaos of daily life. Yes, even your cat needs a break from you sometimes. And while there's no guarantee of extra snuggles in return, you might just find them curled up and purring like you've given them the world. Remember, it's not about fancy, it's about comfort. And to a cat, comfort often looks like a humble box in a sunbeam. Is your cat knocking things off shelves or zooming through the house at 3 a.m.? They're not being dramatic, they're bored. Boredom in cats can lead to stress, mischief, or both. But don't worry, you don't need fancy gadgets to keep them entertained. Enrichment starts with simple, clever fun. A crumpled piece of paper? That's a thrilling hunt. A toilet paper roll? That's a tunnel of mystery. Tie a feather to some string for a homemade wand toy. Want to challenge their brain? Take a plastic container, poke holes, drop in treats. Got a balcony or a screen window? Cat-proof it for safe, supervised chill sessions. A sunny window with a blanket? Now it's a deluxe cat lounge. A stimulated cat is a happy cat, and a happy cat usually stops attacking your socks. Usually. Let's talk about the one area most cat owners wish they could just ignore: the litter box. But here's the truth: if the litter box situation isn't working, your cat will let you know, sometimes in ways you really don't want. Luckily, keeping it clean and cat-approved doesn't require pricey furniture or designer boxes. A large plastic storage bin with the hole cut in the side makes an excellent covered box, and it gives your cat a little privacy too. Place it in a quiet, low-traffic area. No one wants to do their business in the middle of case, not even your cat. To keep odors under control, sprinkle a little baking soda inside or try using a basic charcoal filter nearby. And here's a golden rule that every cat parent should live by: one litter box per cat plus one extra. Trust me, it prevents more drama than a reality show. Keep it clean, keep it calm, and your cat will be much happier. And a happy cat? That's a couch that's a little less shredded. Think creating a cat-friendly home means blowing your budget on fancy pet gear? Think again. With a little creativity, some repurposed items, and a sprinkle of DIY spirit, your home can become a feline wonderland. Vertical spaces don't need to come from a pet store. Thrifted shelves or a clever bookcase hack will do the trick. Cozy hideouts? Your recycling bin has options. Entertainment? Look around, you probably already have the makings of a cat toy goldmine. And a clean, calm litter box setup? That's more about consistency than fun. The truth is, your cat doesn't care if it's custom built or cardboard. They care if they have places to climb, nap, scratch, and hide. Comfort, safety, and a bit of mental stimulation. That's the real magic. So get creative, spend smart, and build your own little feline paradise. Like what you saw? Give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow cat people, subscribe for more pet-friendly hacks.